Hi everybody, it's Marieta. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I want to clarify two things when it comes to DV Visa Lottery 2023 Diversity Immigrant Visa Program, DV 2023. So number one, I want to focus on countries that are eligible. And then number two that I want to focus on in this video is going to be frequently asked questions regarding the picture, because many of you are asking this question over and over again, and so I do want to address the question in this video. Also, important to understand and note is that you can first register tomorrow. Tomorrow, the Diversity Visa Lottery is opening up, which is October 6, 2021 at noon Eastern Standard Time. And the lottery will stay open for a month and will conclude on November 9th, 2021 at noon Eastern Standard Time. So for those who are wondering if the lottery is open, yes, it's about to be open tomorrow. All right, so keep that in mind. And also, you guys are always asking me about the official website, which is this. This is the official website. You can see it here, right here, dvprogram.state.gov. And all you need to know is to go there tomorrow, October 6, 2021 at noon. Open the website and log in. And guess what, guys? I'm going to actually upload a video tomorrow exactly. I think it's going to be noon, 12:30 p.m. noon, October 6th. I will make a video for you. I will show you how to submit the entry. So if you are new to my channel, you definitely want to subscribe and stay tuned, because I will be sharing this information tomorrow. Right now, I'm not able to show you how to submit the entry because the lottery is not yet open, all right? Now, for those who want to learn ahead of time, I do have tutorial how you can actually submit the entry. All you can do is to go below this video, in description below the video, you will find the link to that tutorial. It's a training that I created for those who have additional questions. So if you're interested, check it out. Now, let's talk about the countries first. And then I want to address the pictures, right? Because you guys asking me all the time, same questions about the pictures. So for DV 2023, natives of the following countries are not eligible to apply because more than 50,000 natives of these countries immigrated to the United States in the previous 5 years. So these are the countries that are not eligible. However, I was discussing in my previous video, which by the way, I will link here for you, what to do if you are not eligible, because you can actually claim eligibility based on your spouse as well as your parents. And so definitely go and check out the video. In the video, I was dissecting everything regarding the eligibility about your country. If you're not from the country that is eligible, and for example, your spouse is from the country that is eligible, you can actually claim eligibility of your spouse and you can apply for DV Visa Lottery, okay? So here is the list of countries that are unfortunately not eligible: Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, China, Colombia, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, India, Jamaica, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, South Korea, UK, except Northern Ireland, and its dependent territories, Venezuela and Vietnam. So if you are from these countries, you are not eligible unless the exception applies, which is that your eligibility is coming from your spouse or your parent. Okay? So that's that. I hope now it's clear. I already explained that you can apply on October 6, 2021. DV Visa Lottery is free. You don't have to pay anybody. It will stay open for a month, and then it will conclude on Tuesday, November 9, 2021. So you want to make sure that you apply on time and you want to make sure you apply properly. Therefore, I was referring to the tutorial training below this video. Now, I want to address the picture, okay? Because some of you are asking me, can I actually take a picture with my phone? Absolutely, you can take a picture with your phone as long as it's white background and you are meeting the requirements, right? it should be 600 times 600 pixels, right? White background. You can do it with your phone. Make sure you have high resolution. Make sure there is no shades, no weird background. Absolutely, you can use your phone. You can ask your family member to help you out. Maybe you can stand behind the wall, in front of the white wall. Make sure to do it today, right? Because you have still time to prepare. So then tomorrow you can actually properly submit your entry and you can have the photograph ready. So let's talk about the requirements when it comes to submitting a digital photograph. All right, so you can take new digital photograph or you can scan the recent picture. However, make sure you're not using the picture from last year, okay? Don't use the picture from last year. It should be taken within the last 6 months. You can use your phone if you want to. Most of the people will use the phone anyway. You can see here examples of acceptable pictures. Let me show you so we can discuss, because still somehow people are confused. So here you can see these are acceptable pictures, right? You have the white background. All of these have white background. You face straight the camera. You don't have any glasses. You don't have any hats, right? Like for example, this one. Once you actually upload the picture, you will be able to see this green mark here, this green check that is acceptable. Otherwise, it's not going to approve you and you won't be able to actually submit that picture, right? And you can even use this photo tool here to check if your picture is good enough. So no shadows, right? You want to make sure that, again, there are no shadows. Like look at this. Here's a little shadow, but it's okay. But if it was like giant shadow here, it wouldn't be acceptable, right? You want to make sure that you don't wear glasses. In old days, glasses were okay, but now glasses are not okay. So you want to make sure you don't wear glasses. You want to make sure that your head is centered and at the correct size. So your picture should be basically 25 and 35 millimeters, right? So you want to be in the center. Now let's talk about resolution. Photo is sharp without any visible pixels or printer dots. Digital alteration. Now, this is unacceptable. Background is cropped out using a photo retouching tool, altering the outline of the head, face, and neck. So again, the system will recognize this, right? Therefore, you want to make sure that your photo is taking, again, in front of the white background instead of cropping out the background, okay? Now, let's talk about the pose. This is acceptable. Applicant is directly facing camera with neutral expression. Eyes are clearly visible. Another thing I want to say, guys, don't smile necessarily because, look, she's smiling. Like, don't really smile, just be neutral. Your face expression should be neutral, not necessarily smiling. Not that I want you to be unhappy, but you know what I'm talking about. Don't smile, just stay neutral. All right, now let's talk about attire, head, and hair. So your full face should be visible, right? No shadows or clothing that is obstructing your face, okay? You might not wear hats or head covering except for religious or medical purposes and with a sign statement. So that's important to note. Again, this is acceptable because the background is white, there are no shadows, it's plain, and she's looking straight into the camera, she's not wearing glasses. Now, when it comes to children, use the picture of your children individually. Like, look at this. No other person should be in a photo. It should be just your baby. Even your baby is 1 year old or a couple of months. Somebody asked me today, should I include unborn child if my wife is pregnant? No, you just include baby once it's born. And doesn't matter how old, as long as you take a picture and the picture is acceptable. Look at this one, unacceptable. Why? Because the photo is underexposed. So even if you use the photo editor, you want to make sure you use it properly, because, like for example, this picture is not acceptable. Look at this one. This one is acceptable because child is facing forward with correct lining and acceptable facial expression. He looks a little bit sad to me, but I guess it's acceptable. Look at this one. This one is not, because he's looking to the side. So he needs to be looking straight, right? And neutral facial expression. Look at this one. Obviously not acceptable because this is exaggerated facial expression. This one is acceptable. This is not acceptable because obviously she's obstructing her face with her hands. All right. Now this is happy baby, but it's blurry. See, the photo is blurry. All right. Object obscures a portion of his face. All right, and this one is not acceptable because she's holding the baby. It should be just one person. Okay, guys? So that's that. Another thing I want to show you is this tool, photo tool. So again, I highly recommend that you actually prepare yourself today, because again, you can have everything ready tomorrow, the big day, right? And then you can actually, submit the entry and apply. So this is a great photo tool for you. I will actually link it below this video. So you can play with this today, you can upload the picture here and you can see if the picture is acceptable, try different pictures, have fun with this and let me know how you're doing. Leave your comments below and tomorrow I will upload another video. This is going to be around, I say 12:30, 1-ish noon. Once the lottery opens up, hopefully I will be able to log in and I will show you how you submit the entry. If you want to prepare it ahead of time, you want to check out that tutorial is below this video. Other than that, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell so you are notified when I upload new videos, and I will talk to you soon, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.